Hi, Victoria. Thanks for your texts and emails yesterday. I thought maybe the easiest way for us to look at this quiz together would be for me to make a video and just go through it with you question by question. So let's do that. So question one was fine, that's great. And question two was fine. Three, so the multiple choice was really good until we got to number five, and then we had a mistake. The outliers will affect the mean more than the median. The median is just a halfway point, so it doesn't really matter if you have, one really huge number at one end or one really low number at the other, because the middle number will still remain the same. Excuse me. For question six now, I think this is one that you sent me a screenshot of. There was 3 marks here. The last 2 questions you got right, but for the median of those numbers is 15 and not 20, and so I had 1 mark deducted there, okay? For question 7, there were 5 questions to answer there. You were finding the mean price, and so you've got the mean price correct. Now the median price, because this had to be done with a formula, because it's the frequency table type, you have to use the formula and find P50 for the median. You can't just count numbers and find the halfway point. It had to be exactly 19.59. It couldn't be rounded off to 20 because that would be the midway point, which is not the same thing in this case. And then the other question that you had wrong was the interquartile range, which is 6.48. And you just need to subtract Q3 and Q1 to find that. So moving down, question 8, that was perfect, and you got 2 marks there. Question 9 was perfect, and you got 2 marks there. And question 10 was perfect, and you got 2 marks there. So I hope that helps clear up any confusion. I'm not really sure about. I think you're right in that when I went back and checked it, instead of adding 1 mark, I think I had 1 out of 3 originally on this question, question 6, and it should have been 2 out of 3 when I checked it yesterday, if that's the one I'm thinking of. So I did add that other mark in yesterday afternoon, and that's how we arrived at the 15 out of 19. Okay, so if you have any other questions, just send me an email or a text, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks.